Adrian here. What's going on, guys? We are out with the Mini Phantom. We got black tape around the body because that makes drones fly faster. This is going to be a speed test. Like, wait a minute, what? No, we have that black tape around the body because, as you can see, this has a good gimbal on it. But the gimbal was vibrating left to right, so that base mount is probably the issue. So we've taped it. We're going to see if we get any type of better footage from it with that taped up. That's what this is about. Kind of just about video quality here. So what we are going to do is we are going to hold ends, go up, and this does rise up pretty high on initial takeoff. Let it do its thing, and then you should be able to bring it down as we just have. Then it wants to go up a little bit more and bring it down. Kind of seems to want to bounce up a little bit. Really not about flyability on this. I have videos on that. This is about the camera. So let's go ahead and press record button. We should be recording. Just gonna go forward. Go up. Go a little forward some more. Still seems a little jumpy. I can see it on my cell phone here. We're gonna stop recording. We're gonna do a screen recording to make sure that I'm getting this, and in case it's not going on the SD card, and we're actually going to stop that screen recording. I didn't do my countdown. Screen recording in 3, 2, 1. And we're just going to press it straight back. Seems like there's a little bit of jitter. Not a whole lot though. Throw on the brakes and no orbit. I thought it was going to go into a mild orbit. What we're going to do, we're going to go in app and click record. It shows I'm recording. So we're going to go up. Try to get a little look at the town over here. It's a good look at the town. I'm just gonna let it sit there. Watch the cars go up and down the street. Seems a little jittery. Maybe I should have taped that more. I don't know. I thought I had that taped pretty good. We are going to stop the recording. Hopefully that recorded the SD card. I'm also going to click the record button on the back here. It shows on screen we are recording. So we'll do a 5-second clip. We'll stop. We're going to take a picture. We're going to pan towards the pond. Snap that picture. We're also going to tilt the camera down. Tilt the camera down a little bit more. Snap a picture. And we're going to tilt the camera back. Oops. What did I do? Maybe I put it in headless mode maybe. So I'm facing that direction. Now I'm facing that direction. Going forward, and if I did take it out of it though. What I'd like to do here is bring it down. We're going to bring it back down so I can show you how the gimbal functions. This might have helped a little, unless it's transitioning better on the SD card. As we are coming down from our descent, let's go ahead and turn this way. Record. That's not record. That's tilt down. That's record. So we should be recording. We are recording. By touching the screen, you could see if you're recording or not. Just coming down. Maybe it's props. Maybe the propellers. Maybe we need better propellers. I don't know. I'm going to come towards myself. It is quick though. Like, it has a little bit of speed to it. Bring it over here. Left to right, you can see the gimbal. Left to right, We might be recording. We're probably still recording. We are still recording. Backwards, forwards, the gimbal stays in place. So I mean, it's a really good design. And maybe the jitter is just my Wi-Fi connection. We're gonna go ahead and stop recording. We're gonna shoot this out. Let's see how far we can get. I don't remember how far we can get. Once the Wi-Fi lags, I do know that I have telemetry on here on the controller. It's really not that bright, but we should be good. So we are going to go ahead and record, touch the screen, verify we are recording, and we're gonna go forward. I'm gonna kind of hold everything up like this. At 70 some odd meters, we're still going strong. I'm just watching my height, make sure we are not losing altitude, which we are not. At 120 some odd meters, it's getting a little sketchy. 138, it's pretty sketchy. So we're just going to pull back. 150 some odd meters was what we were at, and it gained reconnectivity, but I'm just pulling it straight back. Again, this is a camera test. That's decent flyout range. Decent flyout range. I wasn't really paying attention to my meters on here. I was paying attention to the video on here because I'm doing a screen recording, and I was also paying attention to the telemetry on the app as well. Just bringing it back, bringing it back, bringing it back. And we will slow down the brakes there, and we will stop recording. Verify shows we have stopped recording. I'm going to bring this down for a little camera love. We're at 40% battery. I'm going to get all up in the Mini Phantom's grill. That's probably good, like right about there, I would think. Up a little higher, up a little higher. There we go. When the wind's blowing this way, so as you can see, it's tilting to the right, or maybe you couldn't because I didn't have that on my head. But I would like to, I'd like to go over this way with it and get those clouds behind it. There we go. That's what I was looking for. All right, we still got some battery left. We can do some more recording. Let's go ahead and just record and go straight out and pay attention to my controller's telemetry and not the app. So what I'm going to do, I'm actually going to, we're going to stop the app recording. And we're just going to do a run out, trying to pay attention to the telemetry on here, which says I have 34% battery left, which might not be the smartest to do a straight run out, but we're going to do it anyway. So we are going to record, and we're going straight out. I'm 15 meters high. Actually, I'm just going to keep an eye on the drone and periodically pop down. It's a white drone in the blue sky. It shouldn't be too bad. We are, according to the telemetry on the controller, we are 60, 78, 81, 85 meters away, 94 meters away. I just popped up, looked at the app. The app still looked good. 111 meters away, 116 meters away. I can still see it. 133 meters away, 142 meters away, 56 meters away, 64 meters away. 183 meters away, 202 meters away, 220 meters away. Could still see it. 246 meters away, 259 meters away, 272 meters away, 281 meters away, 289, 293, showing 26% battery, 310 meters away. And we're almost hitting a quarter mile. If we can hit a quarter mile, then we will return back. And again, we are flying just by telemetry on the controller. We've hit a quarter mile, so we're just going to jack it backwards. And maybe we've lost it. Really? Or maybe it's returning home. Come on. Come on home now. I'm trying to bring it back and it's not allowing me to do anything. Which, here we go, 13% battery. I'm going to go ahead and hit return home. See if it does it. 405, 408. You're going the wrong way, dude. You're going the wrong way. Stop. Whatever you're doing, stop. Oh, this thing's gone. 476, 480 meters away. 479 meters away. This thing is gone. Man. There goes my video. Man. I'm gonna go out here a quarter mile, man. I can't believe that. It shows 12% battery. I'm 478 meters away from myself. This is ridiculous. Good learning experience, I guess. I'll have the screen recording to go by, but as far as recovering this might be a daunting task. Why it jetted forward is beyond me. So it's probably just hovering in the air somewhere. If I can get to it quick enough, I might be able to land it. Or here, 478. Why don't I go ahead and see if I could decrease altitude? No, it's not letting me decrease altitude. Oh, man. Terrible, just terrible. So, shows 12% battery. Let's go ahead, and we're at 478, 479 meters away. Running a quarter mile in sandals is not ideal, but trying to get close to this. I'm trying the telemetry to show me that I'm closer to this. Right now we're probably about 100 meters away from takeoff. Actually, we're like 500 meters away. Yeah, this thing's gone, dude. Base heading like that. This thing probably just took off. And stopped registering. I don't think I'm gonna find it, guys. $479. I forget what we were. I'm going through this in shorts. There's no way. It's showing the percentage of battery dropping. I don't see it. Don't see it. I think, honestly, I think it disconnected and took off. 12%, 478. Yeah, because I'm not getting my telemetry back. So for how quick this is, who knows how far it could have made it if it just took off. So I mean, I'm definitely out here. My telemetry is not changing, besides my battery percentage. The battery percentage is changing but my telemetry itself is not changing. I hear it. I hear it. I see it. It's right there. Talk about JJRC the drone finder, man. So how do I get this to reconnect with it without it taking off? You don't want it to drop. That's why I shut up for a second. That way, maybe I could hear it. I'm still registering voltage. I'm trying to get over to this road here. I'm a little winded. Alright, so how do we get this back down? Do we turn it off? We've turned it off. Turn it back on. I still have no control over it, man. Alright, so we're going to try something else. I'm going to try to reconnect to it via Wi-Fi. Shutting my Wi-Fi, or I'm turning it off. Or turning Wi-Fi off. Still showing I got 8% now. Turning Wi-Fi on. I'm connected to it. Am I connected to it? I'm connected to it. I'm gonna go into the app. App. Come on now. Gotta be quicker than this. Don't take off nowhere, stay there. I'm looking for the app. Sorry guys. I'm in a mild panic here. JJRC, where's the app? I got so many apps. Oh man, I can't find the app. Movie. JJRC, I got the app. We're click connect to device. Come on. Alright, so I'm connected to the device. I have FPV. We're gonna hold down. Here we go. Here we go. We're not crashing this today. We're gonna hold back to. Let me get back here. Or is it landing? Ah, it's landing. I don't want it to crash. Ah. Come on, I'll catch you. Don't know what that was all about. Come on. Gotcha. Well, that was fun, guys. You're not going to see that on any other channel, I guarantee that. Holy Toledo. So I don't know what happened. Maybe it disconnected from the controller and the controller would not reconnect. So don't go out over a quarter mile. Holy Toledo. I don't know how the video is. At this juncture, I don't even care. I'm going to turn this beepy off. I want to see, because this is saying it's not bound to it, even though I tried to rebind to it. Turning the entire system off. Turning the drone back on. Turning this back on. And let's see. Alright, so it's connected. Despite the fact it's showing the battery at 99% on my telemetry here, we're just going to go ahead and shut it down. Alright guys, that's the end of my review. If you haven't subscribed, smash the subscribe button. Questions, comments, concerns, there, just adjusted down to 17%. I'll catch you on the next video. That was fun.